HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids, let's make a bedroom today. We will begin with making a big rectangle and another smaller one inside for the bed. Make another rectangle with a blanket on it. Our bed does need legs, doesn't it? We will make 2 pillows for the bed and drawers next to it. You have to draw 2 small rectangles sticking next to the bed and 2 smaller ones for the handle. Let's make a lamp and a vase on top. On the other drawer, let's make a lamp and a coffee mug. We need a picture on top of the bed, don't we? Let's get to it. Our bedroom is ready. Now let's paint it. Paint the mountains. Leaves. And pillows green. Are you having fun? Color the sides of the drawer pink. Yellow for the lamp inside the drawer. A blanket. Hay and the sun. Let's use red to paint the back of our bed. And purple for the rectangle below and the border for our picture. Paint the handles of the drawers and the handle of the lamp blue. We're almost there. Let's use a teal for our coffee mug and the vase. Let's paint the sky and bottom of our bed sky blue. And we're done. That was fun, wasn't it?